But we need doctors, we need teachers, we need lawyers, and at the same time, yes, of course, the experts in different languages. And also, you should ask your Waqf-e-nau, those who have a potential and they are inclined towards any of the worldly services, they should try to join public services of the country after having had their education or degree graduation. Then they should sit for the public service exams and join the public services. This is how you can actually guide the politicians of the country, and this is how you can play your role in the betterment of your country. Right? We should see not only the one aspect. Being an Ahmadi, we should see all the aspects which are involved for the betterment of the Jamaat as well as the country.